up, YouTube? Today I got this 2016 Chrysler minivan with the 3.6 liter V6. I'm going to be showing y'all how to replace the thermostat today. It's got a code P0128, which is notorious on all these 3.6 liter motors. The ones in the Jeeps, it doesn't matter. They all have this issue. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to change it today. It's fairly easy. And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is get this air filter housing out of our way. I think that's the only clips. Pull this little hose off right here. Now take you a flathead screwdriver. You can get it on there, or 8mm. And it's not working too good, so let's see if I can get my 8 down in there. Hopefully I brought all enough tools out here. I'm doing this outside. Y'all know I do videos outside when I can. It's a lot quieter. People don't tend to bug me when I'm outside too much. So, last car today. It's a Saturday. I'm off the next 2 days. Go home and watch my Georgia Bulldogs play. Go Dogs. Let's beat Alabama. Those football fans. Sorry if y'all like Alabama, but I think it's our year. I might be wrong, but we've undefeated, so I feel pretty good about it this year, just like my Braves. Get this little power steering reservoir off of here. It's going to be a 13mm nut without losing it. Just kind of pull that out of your way. Now this box right here, you just yank up on it. Has no bolts. Let's set that in my magnetic tray. Get your harness out of the way. Get this guy completely out of our way. We are there. Right here, baby. It's got two 10mm bolts. Make sure the engine's completely cooled down. Take your cap off. There's no pressure. Once it cools down, there shouldn't be much pressure left behind. Don't do this when the engine's hot. You will burn yourself. Let's get that bottom bolt out first. The one you can't really see, you can feel where you at. There you are. Take it out the rest of the way with my fingers so I don't lose it. Now, I'll probably have this off before my park gets here, but I'll just pause the video and we'll resume. Now, you're going to lose a good bit of coolant when you do this because it sits so low. And I can already hear the coolant coming out. Okay. Now, this is why I didn't take the clamp off yet, because now you can pull the hose up and get access to the clamp a lot better. I'm going to show you all a trick with the good old vice grips. Go ahead and adjust them accordingly. See that? And they lock. We're just going to leave that in place. Wiggle her out. Just like that. Make sure the O-ring didn't get stuck to the block. It didn't. It's in here. Alright, I'll see you in a few minutes when I get my part. Alright, y'all, I'm back with my part. Always make sure your thermostat gasket is seated good. We're going to stick it in this hose right here. This reservoir out of our way. Let's see. Guide yourself. Let's see. Should be nice and straight in there. Clock it a little bit to the right. Okay. Pull up the clamp. Take off your vice grips. Start my top bolt first. We're going to run her down some. Don't tighten it all the way though, so you can swivel it around to line up this bottom bolt. Alright, she's in. Get on there. Just snug it down, don't get crazy on it, it's plastic. Alright, now let's crack this bleeder screw right here before I put that air filter housing back on. Use a flathead or a Phillips head, don't matter. Get my steer no spill funnel here. Start filling up with coolant. That'll push out all that air that got in there when we took the hose and the thermostat off. You start seeing it come out real good. You can go ahead and tighten it down, which it is. We're going to lock it down, and don't tighten that too tight either. Okay, well, that's filling up coolant. Put my box back on. Push it down until you feel its seat. Throw the reservoir back on. That nut. Alright, air filter in. Seat your air filter tabs back in the box back there. Just slide them in. Clamp her down. Alright. Push your hose back on. Pop that back on. Get on there. Alright, grab that 8 again. Okay. Check back over yourself. Put that back on. Looks good to me. Now we're going to get our tools out of the way. Set them on my car over here. Alright, get in there and clear this code and start her up and let her start warming up. Turn the key on. Start it so we reset the code. Must be someone short that drives this car. My knees are practically touching this dashboard. Come on, hurry up. I'm trying to get off before kickoff. Okay, yes. Gonna clear this bad boy. Alright, fire up. Have the heat on. It's kind of 75 degrees today and it's December. That's Georgia for you. Good football weather though. They got the roof open today at Mercedes-Benz. Place is gonna be loud. Alright. I'm gonna look at my scanner. I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna let this car run for about 20 or 30 minutes. Make sure all the air's bled out of it. Cap her off. Anyways, I'm going home and I'm gonna watch the Georgia Bulldogs. beat Alabama today, so have me a good drink. I'm off the next couple of days. So I hope y'all like this video. Thanks for subscribing. Y'all have a good day. Check like. Peace out.